Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to your PayPal account. If you hadn't seen the previous tutorial of how to create a PayPal account, I totally recommend to check our channel in order to see it. So after you registered on your PayPal account, all you gotta do is go press on wallet. This window will gonna pop up and you're gonna link a card or bank. So our option today would be link a bank account. Okay, so we need our IBAN account, which is on your bank statement, or you could find it on your bank account app. So I'm gonna add my bank account. I already saved it. I'm gonna blur it out. No worry, you can find your IBAN account very easily. If you don't find it, you could contact your bank and they'll tell you. And after that, we're gonna agree and link. After that, they're gonna send the bank transaction to confirm that it's us. So in order to confirm our bank, we need to send a confirmation code. So we're gonna press here and request confirmation code from the bank. We'll send a small deposit amount to your bank account. The 4-digit code will appear next to your 1 cent deposit. We got our confirmation code, and that's it guys. This is how you link your bank account to your PayPal account. Thanks for watching, and if you have any problems, leave them down in the comments.